How to change your phone number on PayPal. Are you guys facing issues to change your phone number on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on personal info. Now click on phone number. Tap on edit. After you click on edit, you need to add another phone number to change your primary phone number. Just simply click on continue and write down the phone number that you want to add. After you write down the phone number, click on add, and that's it guys. That's how we're going to add another phone number or change your phone number on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.